others must exit out. Make sure to lower your head while you step on the way into the train. Thank you again for choosing the monorail. Have a fantastic time here aboard the highway in the sky.
Hello, everyone. Welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. We are now beginning a 2.5-mile journey to downtown Disney Station and back. For a safe trip, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and limbs inside
right now lately.
We're about
I, well, I made mine about 3 months ago. As soon as that 90 day whatever, I was on it.
Oh, yeah.
Come for 90 days before Christmas.
That's the only way to do it. As soon as they open up, make the reservation.
They still have reservations the other day for the day.
Yeah. Well, that's what I said. This whole month was reserved out already, and they just happened today and tomorrow actually just happened to open up.
Really? Did they?
Yeah. So we didn't have a reservation until November. We were like, you know what? Let's book it right now real quick and we'll go.
Good for you. Yeah, it's
this is Tomorrowland.
I'm into reservations tonight
By
for
science,
Christmas.
fact,
Oh,
and
okay.
fantasy.
Yeah, when we get home.
It's the submarine lagoon.
I
It's
did
a
it.
dive entertainment, underwater adventure aboard the Finding Nemo submarine voyage. Across the way are the icy peaks of Matterhorn Mountain, home to one of the most famous bobsled runs. And beneath us is the Autopia, where climbers of all ages can travel the road to tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, some of the other lines are a little long.
Yeah.
Worst one is my mansion.
Yeah, I'm a mansion.
I didn't beat the virtual queue for the new Star Wars ride.
I think they're gonna have another one at 12.
12, yeah. Yeah, we did it last time at 12, and then mine is on at 8:30.
Oh, really? Yeah.
We were going to drive home.
Because it's about a 45 minutes after that. Wait until you get up to there.
Yeah, exactly.
Plus the virtual queue is just a queue to get you in.
In the lineup.
Sitting there
That don't make
going,
no sense, does it?
this ain't happening.
Now we were trying to think about maybe doing the Spider-Man one. We haven't done that one either. So
Which one?
the Spider-Man, the
Oh, yeah, we haven't been over to DCA in a couple of years.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's next year, definitely. We gotta get over there.
Yeah, we haven't been there since cars opened up.
Oh yeah, it's changed so much. Man.
Yeah.
Especially with the new land.
To the right of the monorail.
We walked through when they had it open for free that during COVID.
It's a small world. And now we're right along
Yeah, we're going to
happiest kingdom of them all.
You can walk through Fantasyland a little bit.
Home to
Okay.
Pinocchio, Snow White.
Oh, when they were doing that, just going and walking into the stores, huh?
Yeah.
When everything was closed and downtown Disney just opened, they let you come into DCA and just walk around.
Oh yeah.
They had the whole back section closed down.
Oh yeah.
But it was nice just to walk around.
I used to be in there for a while.
Yeah, if you enjoy Disneyland,
Yeah.
it's been,
Oh, yeah.
it's been tough on all the people that really.
Yeah. We were doing it for a while, like every year for almost once or twice a month. And then I think a few months before, or a year before that, we let our passes go. And then we were gonna think, oh, okay, we'll just take 1 year off and then we'll go back. And then all that happened.
We let ours go back 10 years ago because through the military, we get a four visit ticket for a very decent price. It's down about 80 bucks per visit.
Oh, yeah.
So we used to do that now, 6 or 4 times
Yeah,
during the year.
we used to have the passes and everything.